So continuing from our previous discussion, this takes us to our next property, which amalgamates basically all these things. And this is with all the data and the information that you have, with all the um, information around your goals, around your objectives that you have, and with all the analysis that you're doing around this, this helps you design what we call purpose-driven systems, right? So, which is essentially the goal of your protocol. And you obviously have your environment, which has a specific goal and a purpose. And everything that happens within this environment, the way the incentive structure of your tokenomics is designed, if you behave in a certain way, if the behavior of the participants is in a certain way, they get incentivized. If the behavior of participants is not in a certain way, they get de-incentivized. You automatically build an intrinsic attraction towards the goal of the protocol. And eventually you realize that if your design is closely mapped towards the objective of what the protocol wants to achieve or what the ecosystem should be achieving, compliance is a natural byproduct that happens naturally. So take, for example, Bitcoin, right? The whole ecosystem, the whole tokenomics has been designed from the hashing power of the network, the change in the hashing power of the network, to the reward structure, the block structure that the miners get, towards and also then the whole the time concept that is in the whole ecosystem. So the block rewards, the time lags, and the hashing power of the network, and other such factors. These are all control mechanisms that are designed and built into the protocol to make sure that participants behave in a certain way. And the overall goal, let's say, for example, for Bitcoin, let's say the goal is security. So all the other parameters are designed in a way that help achieve this goal of security, right? And this is how you design purpose-driven systems. So I hope you understand what are purpose-driven systems, and I hope you have understood these properties around data, purpose-driven systems, dynamic control, getting data across different intervals. I hope you're understanding and mapping all these concepts. So with all of that and more in the next lesson.